Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $150 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $150, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Emax Tinyhawk 3 FPV Drone. Emax Tinyhawk 3 FPV Race Drone Kit drastically redesigned body frame centered around more durability than previous generations. Make sure the motors and electronics safe within the internals of the aircraft. Racing drone kit with newly redesigned internals to the motors paired together with a new quad-blade propeller, improved efficiency and flight time. Race drone kit centralized mount in order to access the internals as well as improved motor plugs for the ability to quickly swap out motors between rounds at a racing event. Number 2. LS38 6K Dual Camera Drone. With foldable arm, small size, easy to carry. GPS positioning mode provides a more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected APK system to take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance up to 1000 meters. Wi-Fi 6K HD camera give wide range high definition pictures and video. Follow me, the aircraft will fix the controlling cell phone and follow the operator whichever direction he moves. With altitude hold mode function provides stable flight. Surround action will enable the aircraft flying in a circle, providing cooler shooting perspective. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen, the copter as the give path. With 7.4 volts 2000 mAh battery, the flight time up to 28 minutes. With headless mode, no need to adjust. Number 3. Drone Professional Control 3000 meters 8K. GPS one-click return to takeoff point. Low battery return, no signal return. After the aircraft is connected to the GPS, open the app following function, and the aircraft follows the movement of the phone. Identify the shooting object at a distance of 10 to 15 meters from the aircraft and automatically follow the flight. Within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, make a photo gesture in front of the camera. The aircraft flies independently according to the preset route, and players focus on shooting. Find the center point of the surround, and then use the joystick to move the desired surround radius. Filters, video effects, adding background music, and sharing pictures, videos. During flight, drones often experience screen shaking due to factors such as wind and vibration, which affects the viewing effect. To solve this problem, drones need to install a pan tilt to stabilize the camera and ensure smooth. Number 4. Tccicadas A16 Pro Camera RC Drone. 5G High Definition Image Transmission Remote Control Ultra Remote Control Distance. The higher you fly, the farther you see, and the panoramic view from afar. 8K Class Electric Tuner Camera. Flagship performance. Achieve wonderful masterpiece. Luxury configuration. Stride across. Compared with traditional drones in the past, it has strong flight performance and experience, and it is more comfortable to create. Find your way to your flight. With a 4-way detection and perception system, the flight process can automatically sense the surrounding obstacles, and intelligent avoidance effectively reduce the collision level of appearance. Stunning sharp lines, both inside and out. Compared with traditional drones in the past, it has strong flight performance and experience, and it is more comfortable to create. Equipped with a clearer image sensor, HD Restore Natural Color, dual camera switch gives you more creative space. At number 5. ISHOWTIENDA 2024 New Kai 2 Pro Drone. Aircraft takeoff weight, 249 grams, excluding obstacle avoidance. Battery parameters / weight, 7.4 volts 2200 mAh battery / 72 grams. Remote control charging method, USB cable charging. Charging method, USB cable charging. USB charging time, about 60 minutes. Flight time, about 25 minutes. Special feature, 360 degrees all-round laser obstacle avoidance, optional, remote control frequency, 5G, fence, height 120 meters, distance 500 meters adjustable, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K pixels, 360 degrees omnidirectional laser obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning plus optical flow positioning, dual mode, brushless motor, 7-level wind resistance, out of control return, low power at